In the world of health and wellness, there's a growing interest in harnessing the power of natural foods to reverse grey hair. First on the list of these natural greying hair combatants is the humble curry leaf. This green hero is packed with vitamin B, a vital nutrient that helps restore hair color by replenishing the dying pigment cells in your hair follicles. Include them in your dishes or steep a handful in hot oil. Let it cool and massage it into your scalp. It's a simple yet effective remedy. Now let's talk about the mighty black sesame seeds. These tiny seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients like copper, which is known to boost the production of melanin, the pigment responsible for the color of your hair. Sprinkle them over your salads, toast them for a crunchy snack, or blend them into your smoothies. Next, we have the colorful bell peppers, particularly the red ones. They are loaded with vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production, a protein that ensures healthy hair growth and can prevent graying. Roast them, grill them, or simply toss them into your salads. Next up is the versatile coconut oil. This tropical treasure is rich in antioxidants and has anti-aging properties that can help reverse gray hair. A simple scalp massage with warm coconut oil can do wonders for your hair. And finally, let's not forget about the antioxidant-rich berries. These juicy treats are loaded with vitamins and minerals that can boost hair health and restore its natural color. With curry leaves, black sesame seeds, bell peppers, coconut oil and berries, you can combat gray hair in the most natural way possible. The science behind each of these foods is simple yet powerful. They replenish the dying pigment cells, boost the production of melanin, enhance collagen production, provide anti-aging properties, and load your hair with essential vitamins and minerals. The key to reversing gray hair lies not in expensive treatments or chemical-laden products, but in the food you eat. Remember, nature holds the best solutions.